saying that nobody can help you unless you are ready to help yourself. And in this lecture, we are going to discuss a few things on how to enhance our communication skills. Hello everyone, my name is Neha and I welcome you all to the week's workshop on how to enhance your communication skills or to become fluent in English. Before discussing any schedule or any timetable of the week's workshop, I would like to take my heart out and discuss a few things honestly. I'm pretty sure of the fact that a lot of students from you are planning that Neha ma'am is probably going to give an injection in these 7 days and we are going to become fluent in English after the 7 days workshop. But today, on the very first day, I am telling you frankly that it is not possible unless, as I just said in the beginning of the lecture, you are going to help yourself. So the very first promise that I want from you all is your active participation in the program. It is actually you, students, who are going to help yourself. I am only going to give you a push. I can only give a direction to you all. I can only refer things that might help you to become fluent in English speaking. But yes, of course, the practice is only going to be done by you. Alright? So as I just said in the beginning, nobody can help you unless you are ready to help yourself. So the very first promise that I want from you all, that show some josh and get ready to help yourself. So I want to ask you all, first of all, how's the josh? Is it high or low? I want the josh to be high. Once again, how's the josh? High? Then I think I'm going to help you out and you are also going to take a huge benefit from this week's workshop. जब एक कार खराब हो जाती है, आप एक मैकेनिक को बुलाते हैं, मैकेनिक पीछे से धक्का मारता है, लेकिन पावर बटन ऑन कौन करता है? आप। कार में बैठा कौन होता है? आप। ड्राइविंग सीट का होल्ड किसके हाथ में होता है? आप। गियर कौन संभाल रहा होता है? आप। आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग मैं यहाँ क्या कहना चाह रही हूँ. माई कॉन्सेप्ट बिहाइंड दिस इज आई वॉन्ट यू ऑल to take the hold of your English speaking car. You are the driver of your car. Accelerator का बटन आपके हाथ में है, पावर बटन आपके हाथ में है, गियर आपके हाथ में है. मैं तो सिर्फ एक पुश देने वाली हूँ. I'm just going to give you a direction. The actual hard work is going to be done by your part. I hope आप समझ रहे हैं मैं आपको क्या सिखाना चाह रही हूँ. एक टीचर का रोल किसी बच्चे को कुछ सिखाने में सिर्फ इतना होता है कि वो उनको एक डायरेक्शन दिखा सकते हैं. दे कैन गाइड द रेफरेंस मटेरियल, दे कैन एक्चुअली टेल देम हाउ and what is the exact path that they have to follow. But unless you are ready to work hard, all the hard work being done by a teacher goes in vain. Alright, so I don't want कि मेरा एक हफ्ते का हार्ड वर्क भी यूजलेस जाए और आपका एंथुजियाज्म भी ज़ीरो हो जाए. सो लेट्स unite our hands, let's join our hands together and take a pledge, a promise that we both are going to work hard. Of course, I'm going to give a very hard push to your car, but कार का अच्छे से कंट्रोल, हैंडल आपको रखना है. गाड़ी बहुत अच्छी चलेगी और बहुत तेज भागेगी. That I promise you all. Now, let's discuss the procedure, what we have to follow in this week's workshop. If you really want to learn English language comprehensively, let me tell you all, you'll have to have command on 4 parts: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. You cannot ignore even a single part because they all are interconnected. Let me give you an example. If we feel pain in one of our arms, then of course our whole body gets affected, right? It's like our 4 body parts, 2 hands and 2 legs. Let's say I am feeling pain in my leg, my whole body will get affected. Similarly, we cannot ignore even a single part if you really want to learn English language comprehensively. The motive behind giving this example was, I want you all to have a good grip on all these 4 areas. And I am going to help you by giving a few assignments, by giving a few tasks, and also we'll work on vocabulary. I'll give you words of the day, and yes, of course, live lectures and recorded lectures. But as I've already said, that you are going to wholeheartedly do all the tasks, all the homework that I'm going to give you. Let us start with listening task first. In listening task, I want your promise that for a week at least you are going to follow the schedule that I am going to make today for you all. Every day you are going to see BBC channel, BBC or National Geographic, whatsoever you feel interested in. If you are a kind of a person who wants to explore nature, who wants to know the country or the world in a better way, then start exploring channels like National Geographic, BBC or such. Next, if you are a kind of a person who is interested in watching news channels, then start watching English news channels at least for a week. This is something that I want from you all, a promise that you assure me for a week you are going to watch English news channel. You can refer Times Now. Let's say if you are not having that channel in your television, then yes, of course, you have YouTube. You can watch the headlines, you can watch short clippings on the YouTube of English news channel, that is Times Now. You'll be updated with the world, you'll be updated with the latest know-how, plus you will not even realize how you are going to have a hold or your grip will enhance on the speaking, on pronunciation, on learning new words. And the second area that we are going to work on together is enhancing your writing skills. And to enhance your writing skills, the very first thing that you will have to work on is start writing as much as you can. Now, the activity, the task that I am going to give you for the week is every day you are supposed to write a diary entry. Now, how you are going to write a diary entry? I hope 90% of you know the fact that how a diary entry is being written, but for that 10% I am going to explain. See, whatever you do in the whole day, you are going to jot down that on a piece of a paper. For example, I woke up at 8 o'clock in the morning, then I went for a walk, then I took a shower, and then I had my breakfast. So this is how, whatever you do in the whole day, at night you just have to jot down everything and write it down on a piece of a paper. This is what exactly diary entry is. But make sure diary entry is always written in past tense. Alright, I hope you're aware of the tenses. If not, then we'll work on in the workshop. So the whole diary entry is going to be in past tense. Plus, whatever you do in the whole day, try to write it down. This will help you have a good command or a grip on writing skills. Next thing we are going to work on is enhancing your vocabulary. That plays a very important role, not only in writing, but also in speaking. But we are going to start with using all the vocabulary words in writing skills. After that, automatically you will start using them in your speaking. That I assure you. So what you have to do is task that I am going to give you for a week that you will have to follow wholeheartedly. That is, every day you will have to learn 5 vocabulary words. For that, of course, I am going to help you by giving words of the day. Plus, you will also have to get into the habit of exploring new words and sending those words to me as well. Let's learn it together. Nobody is perfect. So even I am ready to learn. You can either write in the comment box below the videos, or you can send me separately on the WhatsApp or on the WhatsApp group. This may help everybody. Alright. This is the end of second part. Now the next area that we are going to work on together is enhancing your speaking skills. Now when we talk about speaking or public speaking, then I think 90% of Indian population is facing the similar phobia. That is public speaking phobia, isn't it? काफ़ी सारे लोग इधर ऑडियंस में भी हैं, काफ़ी सारे लोग मुझसे इन पर्सन भी मिलते हैं जो अपनी एक सिमिलर प्रॉब्लम बताते हैं, दैट इज़ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग. अगर 80% और 90% ऑफ इंडियन पॉपुलेशन इसी प्रॉब्लम से सफ़र कर रही है तो आप कोई अकेले तो नहीं है, राइट? सो वाई टू फील वन सेल्फ इन्फीरियर? जस्ट बी कॉन्फिडेंट. जैसा आए वैसा बोलो. रिलैक्स, take a chill pill and consider the fact that the person to whom you are talking is also suffering from the similar problem. Relax and try to give your best. Even if it is wrong, this is the first step to learn. गलती करेंगे तो ही तो सीखेंगे. So ये मत सोचो कि the other person is perfect and he or she is standing in the front of me to take out my mistakes. It is not so. Nobody is perfect. Even I can commit mistake. Anybody can commit mistake. And I welcome all the criticizers to come and teach me. See, if a person has the enthusiasm to learn, I think he or she can grow. So if you have the enthusiasm to learn, then only you can, have a command on English language. So try to get that enthusiasm, ignore all the criticizers, and if anybody tries to take out your mistake, then feel good that you are learning something. So take this optimistic or positive attitude and stop always thinking the fact that हमारी बेइज्जती हो गई तो मुझे लगता है it is good if somebody criticizes you. अगर कोई मेरी गलती बताता है, हाँ एक सेकंड के लिए गुस्सा आता है, बट अगले सेकंड आई फील दैट इट्स गुड, आई हैव लर्न समथिंग न्यू. सो ट्राई टू टेक the positive output of everything and try to learn something new every day. All right, so the activity or the task that I am going to give you to enhance your speaking skills is every day, whatever diary entry, whatever you are going to write in the diary entry, you are going to speak it out in the front of a mirror. All right, so let's say at 8 o'clock you wrote your diary entry. At 8:30 you are going to stand in the front of a mirror and speak out whatever you have written. All right, कुछ नया इसलिए नहीं दे रही हूँ because अभी you are starting. So for a start, whatever you write, you have that content in your mind, so it will become easy for you to speak out for the beginners. And the last part that we are going to work on is to enhance your reading skills. For reading skills, I am going to give you a task that in a week you have to cover a novel. It may be of any genre. Like you may pick up any science fiction novel, or if you're interested in some family drama, then you can pick up any novel of such genre, or you may also pick up any love story. That's totally your call. But this is a task that you have to do if you really want to help me out in that push of the car, that you will have to complete a novel in these 7 days. All right, and at the end of the workshop, I am going to give you a chance to tell me the summary of that novel. So these are the 4 aspects that we are going to work on together. But before winding up, I would like to take a promise, as I'm already saying again and again, that you will have to follow the schedule wholeheartedly. You will have to do all the tasks that I have given you wholeheartedly. Then only I'll be able to give a push to your car. Otherwise, only push without your starting the car is not at all going to be helpful for you all. I hope you all are able to understand what my vision is for you all. So let us join hands together and help each other in accomplishing this vision. Before winding up, I would like to address all those students who have messaged me personally saying that they want all the lectures to be bilingual. So for them, I would like to make an announcement that don't worry, all the lectures are going to be bilingual, and even if you feel yourself trapped anywhere, then I'm always there for you. So don't worry, relax and start your hard work from now onwards. I am pretty much sure of the fact that we are going to create wonders together. Good luck, thank you so much, and start practicing English language from today onwards. Let's see how much it works for both of us. Thank you, have a good day.